everyone, my name is Anastasia Dunevska, I'm CMO at Game Ventures, and we are here at TGE Summit at Cornell Tech University, and Adam Mastrelli dances right behind the camera. That's how I like it. We are here with Rika. She's Chief Legal Officer at MakeInfinite Labs. There we go.
That was good. Thank you for having me.
That was the most complicated part, and now circling back to you. Tell us please about your experience in the field. How did you come to crypto and why you're so passionate to still be here after so many years of experience?
Oh boy, that would be a very long interview. I'll try to shorten it.
Oh, fine. I can finally relax and someone can talk.
Yes.
Please.
I fell into crypto almost by accident. It was in 2017, 2018. I was at a conference presenting on stage, and one of the attendees asked me to explain the Howey test to them, and I thought, why is anyone interested in a Supreme Court case from the 70s? So I kind of quickly Googled on the side, but long story short, I've been in crypto since 2017. Went through the ICO boom, built private practice in New York. Yes, progressed from ICO into the tokenization space and security token space. Was very interesting, fascinating. The markets and the liquidity never really developed for the security token and tokenization. We're having a second run at it. We'll see how it goes, but slowly started working with new protocols and folks that are designing this new decentralized incentive networks, and I found it very interesting, and I never looked back really. And I joined.
You never had time to look back after all of this.
I never had time to look back. Yes.
Let's be honest.
That's true. MakeInfinite Labs, I joined last year. I've known the team for a few years. I love them to death. They were one of my favorite clients when I had my private practice. And what we've done is we've built and launched what's called Space and Time Network. It's a ZK-proven, decentralized SQL database.
Oh, how cool.
Yes.
What it does?
Yes, we have very strong ZK research team. I would say one of the leading probably ZK zero knowledge researchers in the world. We're backed early on by Microsoft. Now that the chain is launched and live, we're still a contributor to the ecosystem, but we're working on new cool products. One of them is AI vibe coding studio, but for smart contracts, that we've also been co-developing with Microsoft, so I'm very excited about launching that next.
That's so cool. So you've been an entrepreneur and kind of startup founder for many times. What are your major takeaways after all this experience you've had? For some of those who are just starting to present their products on the stage, behind the corner.
Well, I mean, first of all, honestly, I'm thrilled by the conference and the format. It's highly unusual.
Oh, thank you so much.
I've been doing this since 2017, and I really developed conference fatigue.
How did you find our format we came up with?
Well, how do I find your format? I think it's really very precise, tactical, something that founders can use.
It's like an MBA program, one day-ish.
It's a very intense one-day track, but I like it that it's very straightforward, very direct, no fluff, no BS. People are not trying to sell you on their products on stage, which is what mostly happens at conferences now. So very refreshing.
This is actually how it works even with acting classes. If you're like an actor and you're going to take a major acting class was some star of of their job. They are giving you 2-3 intense days from sunrise to sunset. So this is how you can take away the experience and skill set. And for startups, it works same way. And let's circle back to the question before the question you answered, which was about the hints you took away after the years of experience, which you can share generously with the startups out there.
Yes.
Don't look back. Jump in this cold water.
Don't, surround yourself with smart people. Surround yourself with smart people. You can't do it alone. It takes a village. You can have the most brilliant idea. You can't do it without a good team, and you can't do it without good advisors on your side. And your team is the most valuable asset you can build. And that's where, and building and maintaining a good team is probably the hardest part of being a founder.
People, I think, even venture capitals, they're coming right now to invest in people, not the projects. CEO or founder is the second or even the first person who everyone Googles before you know what the project is about.
Well,
and then the people, it like goes by chain by chain.
Well, a good CEO knows how to build and motivate a good team, right?
That's true.
Yeah,
I want to believe in this because there are so many very different examples out there. I'm sure you know.
That's true. That's true.
So, what is the most exciting things about your project you're currently in by the end of the year? So, what should we take a look?
Yes, so I mentioned we just launched beta on what's called Dreamspace. It's a vibe coding application for smart contracts that sits on top of space and time infrastructure. And what it does, it lets you launch and monetize apps on chain. So essentially, if we look outside of the blockchain space, there are many famous vibe coding studios out there, right? And we haven't seen many traction with the apps that they produce, just because, you can build an interface and an app, but then you're going to run into issues when you're trying to connect payment systems into it, when you're trying to connect the database.
Right.
Then you're back to needing that technical knowledge and expertise that you were trying to solve with Vibe Coding Studio. And this one is specifically for decentralized applications and dApp developers because it lets you deploy smart contracts and monetize your app directly through the Vibe Coding Studio.
How does it work from the user experience side? So everyone can come and do whatever they want. It's very understandable, smooth, safe and sound.
It's very smooth. It's amazing interface.
Like
you
a
should
dream.
actually go like a dream. I encourage you to go and try. It's in beta. Feedback is super important to us before we launch
I gotta
the general
do that.
release.
Yeah, I'm genuinely interested. Yeah,
it's very cool. Yeah, and we continue contributing to the Space and Time Network. It's in the early stages. It just went into mainnet in May, so there is a lot happening with the chain itself as well.
By the way, how do you feel yourself by being female executive in this space? I bet there are a lot of questions out there how smart, beautiful ladies can get the project to the stratosphere. So how do you feel?
Can tell you there are not many women out there for an executive in the crypto space. It's really tough. And I can tell you that through the years, people at crypto events mostly assumed I'm someone's +1 rather than an executive.
Oh, got it.
But I honestly have the best CEO right now. He's phenomenal. We have a lot of women actually in executive roles in the company, and he's very good at empowering everyone and especially women. So
which is
I
also
feel
very
right at home.
refreshing, huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much, Rika, for being a part of our amazing event. And did you know that New York put our event into the list of New York Fashion Week? So considering your dress today, you kind of brought Fashion Week to the TGE Summit.
Thank you. I'm so happy you said it. Actually, my very close friend designed this dress.
That's so cool. You look amazing. And for all the women founders and C-level executives out there, you're not just +1. You're the main character. Never forget it. Thank you, Rika.
I love it. Thank you so much.